This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You should begin by locking down prerequisites so you can act fast. Choose your niche, set a pro account, and gather 6 short clips. Once done, optimize your profile bio and add a clear call to action so viewers know what to do next. Now create 3 caption drafts using targeted keywords and 1 hashtag set. This primes the algorithm and saves time when you post. Make sure to keep clips vertical, punchy, and under 60 seconds to match the 1-minute growth format. You now move into execution. Post 3 videos across a single day at staggered times to test when your audience is most active. For each clip, open with a strong hook, deliver a concise value point, and end with a clear CTA that prompts saving or sharing. After posting, prioritize the first 30 to 60 minutes of engagement. Reply to comments, duet relevant responses, and like viewer replies, because early interactions signals relevance to the algorithm. Finally, review performance after 48 to 72 hours to see which clips held attention and drove follows. Once you identify the best hook and CTA, replicate those elements across the next 6 posts while varying visuals and captions to avoid fatigue. Make sure to document learnings in a simple spreadsheet so you can scale what works. If reach is low, troubleshoot by swapping the thumbnail, shortening the hook to the first 3 seconds, and reposting with a new caption and hashtag set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.